G'day model builders. This is RAF Dark Green, one of the most frequently used upper camouflage colours on RAF fighters during the Second World War. A fair amount of RAF Dark Green was also used by US 8th Air Force units to camouflage their aircraft, which were originally supplied in a natural metal finish. It's a defining part of the classic RAF camouflage scheme. But it's also a colour that can be a little misleading, because on its own, especially in the bottle, it can look much darker than you might expect. To get a reliable starting point, I'm working from established colour references and converting that into a digital value that I can use for mixing. In this case, it comes from a published reference that provides a consistent representation of the colour, and from there I convert that into a paint recipe. The system I'm using is based on 5 paints: cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and white, all set up to the same consistency so the mixes are repeatable. If you want to see how that system works in detail, that video is on the channel. But for this one, we'll go straight into the mix. This recipe makes approximately 18 grams of paint, working from largest to smallest component. Yellow forms the base of the mix. Then magenta, followed by a portion of cyan, and finally a small amount of white. We're not using any black in this one. Measured by weight and added directly into the bottle, this gives a consistent and repeatable result. Once mixed, it's ready to use. And this is where the colour really comes into its own. In isolation, it can almost look too dark, but once the mask comes off and you see it alongside dark earth, it balances out and creates that unmistakable RAF camouflage contrast. Like dark earth, it can take a few passes to build coverage, but the end result is exactly what you're looking for. And that's a repeatable mix for RAF Dark Green. If you want to see how this colour works as part of a full camouflage scheme, the Spitfire build is on the channel, and so is the P-47. And if you want to see that full mixing system, that video is there as well. I'll show you how it's done. How many takes was that?